Okay, so this is the barbell deadlift. All you're going to do to start with, grab your bar, make sure your plates are on. And the reason when we use this, like we use the bumper plates, is because we're making sure that the height is optimal for us. If I go too low and you're going from the ground and you're not on bumper plates, you're probably going to round and go too low. This is why the bumpers are there, and that's why they're important. So if you're looking in your gym and you haven't got these on, you've got the other ones, you may have to raise the bar up on the deadlift. Anyway, into the motion. When I start with, I'm going to make sure that my feet are underneath the bar. In terms of, I'm going to go laces. In terms of the distance, I like to say that the bar is a couple of inches in front of where your socks would be. Now I'm here, I'm fine. I like to use my first knurling, put the web of your hand on here, and then I'm going to set my bum low. My chest comes up, drop my shoulders back and down. That's going to hold and poise my back in position. Once I start, I'm going to drive and pull through like this. From here, up, drop my chin, squeeze. Down, set, down. If I don't chop my bum back, my knees will seem to like almost get in the way. So for example, if I don't hip hinge correctly, what will happen is this will happen. Like if I go forward on my knees, like they're in the way, I can't do it. So bum to the back of the room on the way down. Up, back down. That's your deadlift.